Good afternoon, everyone. Respected ma'am and sir, I am Jogamaya Rao. Now I am going to say what is value chain analysis. Value chain analysis means it is the process of analyzing the functions or activities which adds value to a product which is produced by a company. So let's see value chain analysis in details. This is the definition of value chain analysis. So, value chain analysis is a process where a firm identifies its primary and support activities that add value to its final product and then analyze these activities to reduce cost and make it different from others. So, in value chain analysis process, a company identifies the different activities which is primary and support. These activities which add value to its product, the product which is the company is going to produce and provide to the customers. The functions which add value to its product are analyzed in value chain analysis, and it is also done to reduce cost and make the product different from other products. So supply chain and value chain are similar. Supply chain means only delivering goods to the customers, but value chain has many other features like product design, research, development, and advertisement. So one of the goals of value chain analysis is to ensure that the product is placed in the customer's hand as seamlessly as possible, and the final result of value chain analysis should be more competitive and effective business. So for meeting the competition, the businesses should gain a competitive advantage, and that it can be done by value chain analysis, and value chain analysis makes the company's efficient business. So in today's scenario, competition is increasing rapidly. The competition is available in terms of quality products, low cost, excellent customer services. So there is very tough competition between the different businesses. So meeting this competition, value chain analysis helps the company to gain competitive advantage. So it breaks down each process of business and creates opportunity for innovation. So different activities of a process of producing a product and delivering it to the customer are break down in different activities. So it will be easy to create opportunities for innovation. Value chain analysis helps the companies in various ways. It can create change within a business, the products and services it offers, and its connections with other businesses and their customers or clients. So to create value that exceeds the cost of providing the product or service and generates a profit margin. It is the definition of value chain analysis given by United States Postal Service. So let's see what are the importance of value chain analysis. Generally, the main purpose of value chain analysis is to make the company cost effective and increase differentiation and improve competitive advantage. So value chain analysis helps the company to reduce the cost, and it will help the company to make its products different from others and easily identifiable, and it also increase the competitive advantage of a company to meet the rival competitors. For example, if a firm competes top cost advantage, it will run at lower internal cost than its competitors would do. Therefore, the firm can be able to earn considerably profits based on such competitive advantage. Furthermore, a good value chain analysis would bring successful marketing strategies and enhance customer loyalty in the long run. So, A value chain analysis, a good value chain analysis also help in successful marketing strategies. It will help in implementing different marketing strategies, and it will increase the loyalty of customers, so that the customers will build long-term relationship with the company. So this is the different activities of value chain analysis. So in value chain analysis, the activities are divided into two parts. One is primary activities and second is support activities. So this is the figure of Porter's value chain analysis. So here in primary activities there is inbound logistics, operations, outbound logistics, marketing and sales, and services. And in support activities there are farm infrastructure, human resource management, technology development, procurement. This is the classification of value chain analysis. So there are two subcategory of value chain analysis, that are primary activities and the second one is supportive activities. So primary activities are those which are mainly about functions used in conversion and distribution of input and output. So primary activities mainly focuses in bringing raw materials, converting the raw materials into finished goods and distributing it to the customers. So the activities are inbound logistics, operations, outbound logistics, the marketing and sales, and service part. In inbound logistics, the raw materials will be bought to the production place. In the operations, the raw materials will be converted into final products. In the outbound logistics, the focus will be on providing how the final products will be delivered to the customers. And in marketing and sales, as the production is done, now the focus is on delivering the products to the customers, but customers will not automatically buy the products. So marketing and sales is necessary for attracting the customers to buy the products. And then service part, it means the company will provide different services to the customers. So next comes the supportive activities. They are used for assisting the primary ones. So these are the activities which provides assistance to the primary activities for achieving the organizational goal. Typically the activities are procurement, technology development, human resource management, and the infrastructure system. So procurement means the used materials which are used in converting the raw materials into finished products are procured in this process. Then technology development means the company should develop the technique used to making the raw materials into finished products. And human resource management, as human resources are very important for every organization, so this activity focuses on training, developing the human resources working in an organization. The infrastructure infrastructure system focuses on developing the infrastructure in which the business operates. So that's all about value chain analysis. Thank you, sir.